Welcome to Beauty Garage. I'm Chris Dale. Today we're going to be painting the dash and the carpet in cameraman's Subaru Forester. I got my vinyl and fabric paint, my tape and paper, safety glasses, and my paint mask. I think it's time to get started, don't you?
I'm really excited.
Good. Let's do it. Right now I'm taping up the windshield. It's time to start spraying the carpet.
I'd like to know when we're in. Is this a road? Does she be and she breathe? Road? Is this a road? Does she be and she breathe?
Okay, it's all painted up. It's time to remove the tape now and then put everything back together and see how it looks put together. So here we go.
Like to roll. Is a road? Does she need me and she breathe? Roll.
Now that the interior pieces are painted, it's time to put on the rest of the interior pieces like door panels and such. Let's get to it. Oh hey, if you're seeing items on this table, that means we've got more content for you going into the car right behind me. So remember, click that subscribe button and ring that bell. All right, so we have more pieces to paint before we put them back in. Time to do it.
Everything's okay.
Okay, now that the pieces are painted, it's time to put them back into the car.
Everything's okay. Sit yourself down, girl, and
And now it's time for Sponsor Chair. Today's video is sponsored by The Rag Company. They're a locally owned business here in Boise, Idaho. We use their products in all of our detailing videos. They make high quality microfiber towels and a wide assortment of other products that you can find in the link below.
everything's okay. Everything's okay. Sit yourself
I just painted these little pieces down here black. Now it's time to put on the seat covers and make it all. right, so the interior is done and it looks amazing, if I do say so myself. Have you ever painted your carpet or interior? How did that go? Did it hold up? And if you haven't, well, we did it for you and you get to see what happens. Leave it in the comments down below. Stay tuned for the next one. Peace. Hey everyone, if you want to watch more detailing videos, go on ahead and click the sponge and spray bottle right there. And if you want to watch more modification videos, click the wheel and wrench right there. And remember, stay beautiful.